Welcome to day 2 of our RV-10 build. So today we are continuing work on the vertical stabilizer that we worked on yesterday, and we are taking apart the pieces that we had match drilled there with the rear spar and countersinking some of the holes, as well as deburring and some of the edges and the holes that we worked on, and spent a lot of time reading through all the instructions, trying to make sure that we understood everything really well and made no mistakes. And so now we are putting together the spar and the rest of the skeleton so that we can do the match drilling there on the rest of the skeleton. And it felt pretty good to see it all starting to take shape and see it there in front of us. So pretty excited to take some different pictures of our progress. And so got the skeleton there put together, started doing the match drilling on the different holes, and the next step that we had to do was to attach the skin for that same process. So we had to remove all the vinyl from the back and had a little bit of fun with the reflections there that you can see. It was pretty silly. So I'm going to do another video that goes into a little more detail about what I'm doing here in the video, but basically I needed to remove the protective vinyl coating from the areas around the holes that we were about to be drilling and deburring and dimpling, just because we needed those out of the way and to make sure we had a good snug fit, but we wanted to leave as much as possible to continue to protect the skin so it doesn't get any more scratches. So this first step here, where we were attaching the first side of the skin to the skeleton, was pretty straightforward and easy, but I slowed the video down a bit here because this is where it got tricky. This is a really snug, tight fit, and it took quite a bit of finagling to get the skin down and to line up all of the holes with the ribs and the skin. So it took definitely time and finesse and patience, but we finally were able to figure out how to get it on there and then get all the rest of those clecos on and get the skin clamped down. So once we got the skin all attached, we were able to go and take some more fun pictures because we were pretty excited. This was the first time it really started to look like a part of a plane. You know, you've got the skin on, you've got it where it's actually this fairly large piece, and we were pretty excited about it. So had to stop and enjoy the work. I think that was the best part of the process, is getting to really enjoy seeing the progress you're making. So now we have to go in and match drill all the holes for the skin to the rest of the skeleton. And so there's a cleco in every other hole, and so then you go through with the drill and you match drill all of the holes there between the clecos. And once you're done, you go and you move the clecos from the holes that haven't been drilled into the ones that have, and you go back and you drill the holes you missed before. And when that's done, you flip it over, as Tyler just did, and you repeat the whole process on the other side. So as you can see, quite a bit of holes had to get done and moved everything around, but really pleased with the amount of work there that we got done on day 2. And seeing the progress and really starting to see the plane come together. So we're really happy. So thanks for watching, and we'll have another video soon.